Continuing education is super important when it comes to being an entrepreneur and a business owner. You want to be able to expand your knowledge, your diversity. The more knowledge that you have on your resume, the more valuable it makes you to the customers. Networking is so important because not only are you getting your name out there and your brand out there, but you are also meeting another, more amazing artists and entrepreneurs that have the same mindset as you, and you want to connect with those people because, they may have something that you don't. They may know something that you don't. One hand washes the other when it comes to networking, and the more connections that you can build at PJX, the better. It's really good to build a broad supply chain when it comes to PJX because of the marketplace. You get to experience expertise, you get to experience more information about materials, you get to experience quality discounts, you get to experience and connect with the suppliers who you're buying from. Supply chains bring to me not only value in regards to, great customer service, great quality, but also, I want to get closer to my supply chain in hopes that I can build something bigger with them, Having someone like that in my pocket, my right-hand person, my one and only go-to is super important for me because I know they're reliable, I know that they're trustworthy, and I know that the product that they bring to the table is quality. It's important for PJ artists to come together at PJX because it's collaboration over competition, ultimately, right? We want to collaborate with each other to better the industry. PJX is June 4th through the 6th, 2024 at Plant Hollywood, Las Vegas, Nevada. See you in Vegas, baby.